Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these cheese and bacon scones. Let's begin. To start, you'll want to take your milk and place in the 1 teaspoon of mustard. You can use mustard powder as well. And just mix the two together until they are fully combined. You can then go ahead and grab yourself a food processor and into it place your flour and salt, followed by the baking powder, then your butter, and pulse everything together until everything is combined. You'll notice once everything is combined as it will look much more like ground almonds rather than just plain flour. As you can tell, it's stuck on this yellow colour and that is due to the butter. Then you can go ahead and add in the mustard milk, pouring it in as steadily as possible. Just mix until a dough forms, being careful not to take it any further than that. Lightly flour a work surface with some plain flour, place your scone dough onto it and then add your bacon and cheese and just knead until it's fully incorporated. You can then go ahead and roll it out until it's around 3 centimeters in thickness. This is what's ideal as it's the perfect amount for a scone, and you may think, well, that doesn't look right now. Once it bakes, the baking powder will make them rise and it will become such a light and fluffy scone rather than a dense one. I'm using a small cutter, but feel free to use a large one. You'll just need to adjust your baking times. Once they're cut out, they should look something like this. You know, the bacon and cheese should be able to be seen throughout the dough. Cut out until you've used the first lot of dough, then you can re-roll it just once and you should be able to get a few more, but don't re-roll it any more than that as otherwise the gluten will be overworked. Place all of your scone cutouts onto a baking tray which has been lined with some parchment paper. Onto a standard size tray. I always try and get 12 scones, but feel free to put more or less depending on the size of your tray. You don't want to overload the tray as otherwise there will be no room for them to grow and they'll all bake together and not be very pleasant. You can then go ahead and egg wash the top of the scones. So for the egg wash, into a small bowl, crack 1 small egg and just whisk that together until it's all combined, the egg white and the egg yolk, just until it's combined. Then take a pastry brush, dip it in and brush the tops of the scones with the egg wash. Be careful not to let that egg wash drip down the sides, otherwise that will affect the rise of the scone. You can then go ahead and place them into the preheated oven. All of the baking times and temperatures you will need will be in the blog post, which will be linked in the description down below, so don't forget to check it out if you're interested. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me. I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description, I'll be linked to this recipe, I'll link to my blogs and links to all my social media, so don't forget to follow me over on there. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.